Figma design file, go to Plugins, search for and select UX Pilot AI. To begin, log in to UX Pilot. What does it do? It creates high-quality UI designs from text or images. It even generates responsive HTML code. I have a prompt ready for a banking app screen. It includes the total balance, different account types, an Add Account button, and a list of accounts. Let's see how fast it works.
Take me back to California. I wanna go back to 2018. I wanna go back to when I was
Wow, that was quick.
happy. So take me back to California, please. Take me back.
It got about 80% of my request right. Next, I'll ask it to show the user's reward points on the new screen.
Take me back to that time. One good friend was in my life. California seems so far away from me, from me, from me.
Look at that. It added the points section perfectly. The AI creates a solid foundation. I'll just tweak the spacing and colors to match my design. In just a few minutes, we went from nothing to a polished screen. This tool is fantastic for generating ideas and saving time. This helps me brainstorm and work much faster. So, what would you use it for? Let me know in the comments below.